opening up. Oh, what are we doing today? We're gonna be opening up this. And then I have my assistant Minty right here. Minty the pony over here. If you know her, you can, if you know her, you might have, if you don't know her because it's your first time meeting her, she's my assistant, so she will be part of the video. So let's open this up and see what it is. It's Izzy Moonlight. If you watch My Little Pony different version like this, please subscribe to my channel and their channel so that you can see it. Minty fell over. The dogs are barking, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Right, Minty? Yeah, she wants to open it, guys. So let's open it. So how do you? Excuse me, how do you open this? Okay, Minty fell over. She's so excited. Minty's so excited, guys. Please leave a like so that she'll be more excited. Please leave a like and subscribe. Join our videos, please. That would be nice. If you could, guys, do that. Okay, we're ripping the box right now. No. My dad is here. Shout out to him. Don't know how to open this. I think you can just take this out right away now. Can you? Yes, you can. You can. Okay, guys, we have the entrance right here. Izzy Moonlight is coming out. Okay, Minty fell over because she's so excited. Minty, don't fall. We're almost there. She fell again because she's so excited. And representing, dun 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 dun. She's really excited. That's why she keeps on falling over. If you don't see anything, please, you can subscribe. If you can help me. We'll just leave this aside. Wait, we have a blind bag right here. So, assuming that's up in a minute. That's joking. We're gonna open this up first before we open up Izzy Moonlight, and then I'm gonna put Minty back up. Here's Izzy Moonlight. If you watch this video, please like and subscribe to their channel and my channel. You can't subscribe to their channel. So how do you open this exactly? Okay, my app is noisy. How did you open this? Wait, guys, I'm going to tell my dad. So Minty is gonna fall over again because she is really excited. I'm just gonna let her fall down plenty of times. Usually I have plenty of toys. It's your first time seeing it. Okay, we're going to put this in the box. Nothing inside. I feel like there's something still inside. Is there something still inside, guys? There's nothing still inside. Wait, I saw something. No. Okay. Let's open this mysterious bag up and see what's inside. Who is tasting a treat and what is the surprise? More of the question. We have some accessories for Izzy. Let's put that right there. So what do we have here? We forgot the orange juice that was in here. Ooh, these are like crystals. These are like orange crystals. For the background, I guess. We have like this thing, whatever you call it. I don't know, but I guess you can play with it for the background too. I think she'll stand on it, and then we have some accessories for herself, Izzy Moonlight. There you go. So we have a necklace looking like. Okay, we have like a hair clip for her, a butterfly, see them? There you go. There's the butterfly. How could these are so small? And we have this like flower for the background, which you put it in this tiny hole right here. It is, I guess. And then we have this cool thing for the background. I think it's like a keychain. We're gonna figure this out later. So, dun dun dun. It's time for the opening. Drum roll. And Minty fell over because she's so excited. Okay, let's open this up. She's gonna fall over again because she's really excited. Okay, Minty, stop falling over because we have Easy Moonlight out. Oop. And we have a few stickers. And then we have something right here. It's just like the checklist. It's like just like the checklist of the toy. Or not. It's nothing. So we're just gonna put this as garbage. And then I forgot the crystals. We need that. Or this thing is what the here. I don't know where I put everything. Okay. Let's first release Moonlight out. I think Izzy Moonlight out. So Izzy Moonlight, we're freeing you from your stand. And she comes with a little pet right here and the closet right there. Because she loves being dressed up. I guess that's why she has the closet. There she is! So tiny! There she is! And she can put it on her stand. Right there. So cute! Look at her! She is so cute. It's Moonlight tiny. She has a beautiful mane like that. A beautiful tail. Her cutie mark. There's a blank. Her cutie mark tiny right there. If you can see, guys. And then we have her beautiful eyes. Let me show you. And so tiny. There it is. If you can see the eyes, it's so cute. And then her action, she's sitting down and waving, hi! And then here's her dad. I think this is her dad. I guess this is her dad. Okay, we'll put her out of the camera for now with her dad. Okay. And we will make this. We will... Oh, it's for this is for the crystals? No. Crystals? I don't know where everything goes. There's always and then the other things are for her. Ah! I dropped her on my seat. There she is, tiny! I think this goes in her paw. Ouch. Ouchie, ouchie. Like that. Wait, this is a flower daisy. This is for her. Wait, is this for her? Wait, we forgot her pet. Her pet looks so cute. I don't know what her name is, but I never seen it. I think it's a hamster, whatever it is. I think it's like a hamster. Oh, so cute! So tiny over there. More tinier than Izzy Moonlight. Oh, this is so cute. It's so tiny and cute. If you can see, guys, right there. You have like the side and then the back has a shell. So I don't think it would be a hamster because it has a shell. And this is toilet paper. So here's how cute. Really tired. I want to cry. Okay. Let's open up the closet, whatever you call this. Oh, this is not a closet. This is like a shelf closet. What, maybe? I don't know what this is. All I know that we're revealing it. Minty fell over somehow. Okay. Crystals ready. Everything ready. We have still these pieces. I don't know what the flower chain is. Is it for her? Is it for her to hold? She can put it on her dad. There you go. Put it on her dad. gonna be for her dad. There you go. Look at the dad, how it's lazy. Okay, this is not the usual toy. Okay, we're just gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna put these flowers. Oh, now I know. Okay, now I know. So we will just put this tiny thing right here. Dad? What are you doing? Okay. I'm just asking my dad something so we can put. Okay, so we can put this right here. It's supposed to go like this on here. So we're gonna try to follow it. Oh yeah, we can use this according to my dad. We can use this case. Open for something. Okay, we can put this thing right here. And then we can put this thing with the flowers. Excuse me. I put this in the little cabinet. Okay, now I get it. You're gonna put it right here. Okay. So my dad is showing me how to do it. So we have this crystal bed. What is the hole for? It's like a hole here. We got the flowers in there. Then the crystals is supposed to go on her bed, facing like this. So I was right before the crystals to go on the bed, and then here we need to put the butterfly right here, upside down. The stroking. I accidentally made it upside down. There you go. Cute. On the So and then this looks different, and then we're gonna put this right here, like that. There you go, hanging off. We're just gonna do it on the side like that. Okay, then what do we attach this? Right there. We can attach it. I don't know where to attach it. Does the pet have a bottom? Oh, it has a bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm just gonna put this on the back, and then so the pet of Izzy is a armadillo. Cute armadillo, cutie. So on the box is so this is a armadillo. It's armadillo as a pet, and then Minty is gonna stay as the sister of Izzy. Can we ride her? Can she ride? Izzy can ride on the back of Minty. Look, she can ride. Oh, she keeps on falling. Okay, maybe on her dad. She can ride on stuff. That's cute. She's just gonna stay on the floor for now. Her bed will go in here, according to my dad. I don't know because this is these. And then this goes right here. It goes right here, and then this goes right here, right? Right here. My dad is saying right here. You can hear him, but he's saying because he's just really cold. Why is it really hard? Almost got it. There you go. Okay, here's this. We don't know what this pot is. It's in the back, but we don't know. So, the armadillo, and then last piece here, what is it? It is the, I don't know. It's Izzy? Is that Izzy? No, it's not Izzy. So guys, and so we figured the contracts out. So Izzy Moonlight goes on her bed right here. You put her little hoof right over on the shoe in her room on her bed. You do it like that, and then she's like holding the crystal, and then like that. So now we can play. So Izzy Moonlight is gonna go down, play with her pet, and then let's let her wear her headband if she can. Can she wear her headband? I guess the dad can wear it. The dad can wear it. That's so funny. Okay, she's gonna wear it like a big. She can put it here. Like that. No? It's just dangling in her hand. Okay, fine. We'll give it to the dad right here. We can put it right here. Let's put it right here. For now, let's put it right here since she's gonna use it. And then her butterfly friend, take that off. She will play with it. It's like a toy. Here's the butterfly. Oh, she can hold it. So the butterfly, she can hold it. So the trick is to do it like this. Oh, she can hold it. Okay. That's what she can do. She can hold it like... She can hold it. The trick to let her hold it is like I put it on the ground and like that. I don't know how this works. I don't know. How did that work? How did that work, Kanina? It's hard enough. I just lost it. I'm gonna get down and get it. Okay, so I got it. It fell on the ground because of Izzy Moonlight. The stroking is me. She can hold it. Stop. I don't know how that works, Kanina. We'll just have to do it like that. So guys, we totally forgot the stickers. So let's put it on really quick. So this can go on the top right here, right there. Oh no, Izzy fell. And then the button, we can put it on here on the window. Izzy is falling everywhere. And then the hearts, we can put it on each window. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, you see, so here is it. And then if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, join our videos, and then shout out to my loved ones. Bye!